Why DFSK? And what's your name? So, D stands for Drive for Everyone. We believe mobility should empower more people, more families, more businesses, and more communities. And F stands for Focus on New Energy. We believe the future mobility demands mobility that is smarter, cleaner, more efficient, and more sustainable. S reminds us to always serve with reliability. Trust. As I mentioned earlier, trust is what we have to earn every day. Trust is the foundation of our business, and reliability is how we build it. K pushes us to keep moving forward. In a changing world, we must keep improving, keep progressing, and keep looking ahead with courage and determination. Together, these values form our promise, Drive for Better. This is not just a slogan. It is our direction, our commitment, and our responsibility. We are committed to drive for better product, drive for better service, drive for better business. And most importantly, we drive for better life and a better future. This is DFSK. This is our promise. This is Drives for Better.